Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change desktop folder icon on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to and open your MacBook, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what more we have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the Finder, we have the File, Edit and View, and we also have the Go, Window and Help options. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have, as you can see, the date and time, Wi-Fi, battery, and in the bottom of the screen, we have all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you use the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change desktop folder icon on MacBook. So find or create the image you want to use as your new folder icon and save it as a PNG or JPEG file. Then open the image file you want to use, press Command plus A and select the entire image, or press Command plus C to copy the image. Then open the folder information, find the folder you want to change it on your desktop, right click or control click on the folder and select Get Info. Then in the Info window, click on the small folder icon at the top left corner and select it. Press Command plus V to paste the new icon. Your folder should now have the new icon you selected. If you want to revert to the original icon, repeat the steps, but delete the custom icon in the info window. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.